Hello dear students, all is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. So dear student, you know that the process of making the worksheet data look more presentable and attractive by changing its appearance is called formatting. So you can format data in a worksheet by using different options in the font, alignment and number group on the home page. So you can see that font group, alignment and number group. So in the previous video you have studied about font group. Now in this video we will going to learn about alignment group and number group. So first we will learn about alignment group. The alignment group provides option for changing alignment, orientation and indentation of data inside a cell. It also have option for wrap text and merging. So first we will learn how can we change alignment of text. Alignment refers to the placement of text with respect to cell boundaries. It is the placement of text with respect to cell boundaries. So by default all numbers and date time entries are right aligned and text entry are left aligned in a cell. We can choose different options for aligning a text horizontally or vertically inside a cell. You can see that in the diagram. To change the vertical alignment of a cell, click the top align, middle align or the bottom align option. You can see that in the diagram. Top align, middle align and bottom align. Okay, so to change the vertical alignment you can click the top align, middle align or bottom align. Similarly, to change the horizontal alignment of cell content, click the align text left, center or align text right option. Okay, so dear student, for vertical alignment of cell content you can use top align, middle align and bottom align. And if you want to change the horizontal alignment of cell content, then click align text left, center and align text right. Got it? You can see that in the diagram. This is top align, middle align and bottom align. Okay, with the help of top, middle and bottom align you can change the vertical alignment of cell content, and this is center alignment, left alignment and align text right. Using this option you can change the horizontal alignment of cell content. Okay, you can see that in the diagram. So click on this option for top align, this is for middle align, this is for bottom align. Similarly, if you want to align text left, click on this option. If you want to align center, click on this option, and align text right, you can use this option. Next option which are available in the alignment group is orientation. Orientation refers to the rotation of the text in different angles inside the cell. The various orientation options in the alignment group are angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down and format cell alignment. So when you click on the orientation option, you can see that. Then this drop down list will be appear with option, you can see that option angle clockwise, counterclockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down, and format cell alignment. In this diagram you can see that the use of various alignment option. This is angle counterclockwise, this is orientation angle clockwise, this is vertical text, this is rotate text up, and this is rotate text down. So using orientation option you can rotate your text in different angles inside the cells. So another important option which are available in the alignment group is indentation. Indentation refer to the distance between the cell boundary and text. It is the distance between the cell boundary and text. You can choose to increase or decrease the indent for better spacing. You can see that in the diagram. So it is the distance between the cell boundary and text. The alignment group also contain option for wrap text and merging. You can see that this is wrap text option and this is merging option. So dear student, wrap text option wrap up text into multiple lines inside a single cell. You can see that. Okay, so wrap text option wrap up text into multiple lines inside a single cell, whereas merging refers to combining two or more selected cell. Okay, so merging refers to the combining two or more selected cells into a single cell. So wrap text option wrap up text into multiple lines inside a cell, and merging refers to combining two or more cell into a single cell. So last group of this chapter is number group. The number group provides various format for specifying how you want the values in a cell to be displayed. It is used to specifying how you want the values in a cell to be displayed. You can choose to display the values as number, date or time, percentage, currency, etc. So you can see that this is number group. In this group, this is accounting number format. This option is used to add a currency symbol and a decimal point to the number value. This is percent style. It multiplies the number value by 100 and display the number value with a percent sign. This is comma style. It introduces a comma between 1000 in number values. This is increase decimal option. It increase the number of digit after the decimal point. And this is decrease decimal option. It reduce the number of digit after the decimal point. So dear students, I hope you have understood the concept of font group, alignment group and number group in Microsoft Excel. I will coming soon with new video and new chapter. Till that time, bye bye.